Let us take a closer look at a Bartholin's gland cyst, a condition that some women may develop during their reproductive years. This is the Bartholin's gland. The Bartholin's glands are located on either side of the vaginal opening. Under normal conditions, they produce a lubricating fluid that travels through small ducts to the vaginal opening to ensure smooth intercourse and to keep the opening moist. Do you see this tiny duct on the right side? There is a similar duct on the left side, and this one on the left is blocked in this case. When one of these ducts becomes blocked, the fluid cannot drain properly and accumulates, forming a Bartholin cyst. If the trapped fluid becomes infected with bacteria, it can develop into a painful abscess. Then the gland becomes swollen because the duct that normally allows the lubricating fluid to drain is blocked. The doctor will determine the most appropriate treatment based on the patient's condition. Symptoms include a painless or mildly uncomfortable lump near one side of the vaginal opening, discomfort while walking, sitting, or during intercourse, swelling and tenderness if the cyst enlarges. If an abscess develops, women may experience severe pain, redness and warmth, and fever, and occasionally difficulty walking or sitting comfortably. A healthcare provider usually diagnoses a Bartholin's gland cyst through a physical examination. In women over 40 years of age or when the mass appears unusual, a biopsy may be recommended to rule out other conditions.